wishing on me. Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you my eyebrow routine for my thin little eyebrows. So first I'm going to start by priming my face because today I'm going to do a full face of makeup, but this video is just about the eyebrows. So I'm priming my face with the only primer that I use, which is the Fenty Beauty primer, and I'm in Las Vegas and they gave me a lot of primer samples, so I'm kind of using more than I usually would. But yeah, so I'm just priming my face. And then I went ahead and I already set the eyebrows with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Now I'm just brushing the eyebrows upward. It's kind of weird because it's literally nothing there to brush, but I'm doing it anyways. And now for this brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder duo that I picked up literally today. This is my first time trying it in the color Granite. I will be taking the lighter looking shade or the brown looking shade, and I'll be putting it more so in the front of my brow with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush, and I'll just be shaping that till I get my desired shape. Then I'm going to go back in to the end of my eyebrow or the tail of my eyebrow with the black looking color or the dark looking color, and also shaping that to my desired eyebrow shape. Sorry guys, so for me, when it comes to shaping my brows with a pomade or a powder, it takes the longest compared to someone with thick eyebrows because they pretty much already have a shape and they can't go over that. But when you have thin eyebrows, you can draw over your shape and create your desired shape, which is what I'm trying to do here. I like a more round eyebrow, so this just tends to be the longest part for me.
Like the nigga I met, talk to me crazy and you quick to forget. You even got me tripping, you got me looking in the mirror different, thinking I'm flawed because you inconsistent. Between a rock and a hard place, the mud and the dirt is gone. Hurt me to hate you, but loving you's worse. It all stopped so abrupt, you started switching it up.
And next we're going to take our Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in the color Granite, and I put a lot of that product in the middle to the end of the eyebrow to make it look more mattified and also to make the faded portion of the brow look more defined. So next I take the eyebrow brush and I brush the tip of the brow to look more faded, and once I do that I go back in with the pomade just a little bit to fill in what I might have brushed away. Yay! And this is the part of drawing on eyebrows that makes it fleek. We're going to take our MAC SPF concealer in the number 35, and we're going to take a whatever little brush you feel best will get concealer under that brow. That's the brush to go with, and we're just gonna neaten up the eyebrow while also trying to better get the shape that we were going for. I love this concealer. This is definitely my go-to concealer right now for my eyebrows. You guys, when I say I love this concealer, I mean I love this MAC SPF concealer. It's full coverage. It's only 20 something dollars, and it's by MAC, and it's like a oily creamy type of concealer, but it's something about it that's just so great. I would really rate it America's #1 concealer. Now that we have finally finished that one eyebrow, I went ahead and just finished the other one since that one took so long.
Did what you wearing, I be drip. What? Got rip, can't say the nigga can't grip. Big got thick, so I guess she ate jiffy. She leave with me, I'ma fly back to the city. Show, go get the back.
And as you guys can clearly see here, I went ahead and finished my face off camera since this is only an eyebrow tutorial. I set under my eyes, I set the concealer, and now I am just wiping off that setting powder.
I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dressed me down in that ration.
You slip and fall. See all the water on the floor? It makes you slip and fall. And then you got the little soft feet and your feet slippery. You slip on the floor when your feet not wet.
And this is my finished look, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video. The video was about the eyebrows. I started in the bathroom. I finished the look since it was an eyebrow tutorial. Now I'm on the terrace so you could get a better look.